Okay, let me just shut off the monitoring here. Okay, nice. Let's check if you can hear me here. Great, so all good, all good. We can start. Let's go. So I've just finished this introductory course in the professional architect learning path. It was a long one, kind of theoretic only. There were some quiz, but that's all. I couldn't practice anything. It was about understanding how to prepare this exam. And actually now, before starting these other courses, which are, I think, more practical, I would like to take their suggestions and create a study plan. To study the exam guide and the study cases. So this will take some videos more before starting this course. So let's see. Okay. I have a workbook. Let me create something. So this, they all go here. I'm just doing some cleaning in my downloads. So I don't need this anymore. Not this. What is this? I'm not sure. Okay. Therefore, we have the exam preparation sheet. Let me see. So I would choose this one. Oh, okay. So this is just some material, like a cheat sheet. Nice. Not bad. I will keep in mind that I have this resource. And as I remember, maybe it's a bit outdated. It's, if I'm not wrong, it's from 2021. Yeah. So, okay, maybe it's still relevant like in 95% of the cases, but maybe I will also have to check if I need to update something. Okay, then I have some material that's from Cloud Skill Boost. So this is the workbook from the first course I had. And then I have the exam guide. Or no, it's the same maybe. Yeah, it looks like it's the same, it's just maybe different version of the same material. Not sure why. Not sure why I have these different versions. Okay, I will keep them both. But yeah. So before going to study the exam guide and its case studies, I will use a template that's available in the workbook that I just closed. Okay, this one. And it has to be used like this. So here we have an example. If you identify managed services as a particular you need to study, you might choose to structure your study for a week to include targeted modules for the on-demand training, a related skill badge of hands-on practice and documentation. So I'm not sure about the difference between the two approaches. You might choose to structure your study for a week to include targeted modules for the on-demand training, related skill badge for hands-on practice and documentation. You might choose 1 week to complete the entire course and another week to focus on skill badge. Okay, so in one scenario, I'm doing theory and practice all in a week. In another scenario, I divide them. I always prefer to practice immediately. Yeah, I will put a bit of theory and practice in each week. So area to focus, automating infrastructure with Terraform, courses. These are some courses which are included, I think, in the architect learning path. Okay. And yeah, skill badges lab. Okay, so in each course, we have also some laboratories. Let's see. So in this case, for example, okay, so in this case, I will need to use 20 credits. I'm not sure how many credits I already have. Let's see, subscriptions. Oh, look here. So unlock access to 700 labs and authored courses, find curated learning paths, filter by role, see your progress. Okay. Oh, look here. You can even number of credits, let's say how much? 20 credits, $20. Okay, so we're talking about dollars here. Nice. Well, I think it's worth to buy some credits for sure. But in reality, I think I will go with the subscription, monthly subscription, $30. Annual subscription, all monthly benefit plus 500 Google Cloud credits, 1 certification voucher. Wow. $500 additional Google Cloud credits per year after successfully passing a certification exam. Live learning events hosted by Google Cloud technical trainers. Man. Quarterly technical briefing hosted by Google Cloud executive. One-on-one consultation with Google Cloud experts. Man, I'm tempted about this one. However, okay, I'm eligible for a 30 days trial. So for sure I will start with this one. Man, I'm really interested to upgrade to this at a certain point. Okay, so try this for $0. Okay. I will need to hide this so I can pay without showing you all my data. So what is the best way to pay this? Let me see. Let me see if I can pay like this. Oh yeah, looks like it's possible. Great. Incredible. Okay. So what do I do now? Let's see. Maybe now I already have my subscriptions ready. Okay. So I have bought this one. Hmm. Okay, great. Let's go. Therefore, I have my badge here, and it looks like that. Again, this workbook and the weekly study template, it's kind of interesting for those who already have experience and they need to pick courses to which they should dedicate time. In my case, I have no doubt that I need to practice to go through all the courses without exemptions. So I will just take this whole path without any doubt, trying to complete it as soon as possible. Maybe it will take me a couple months. You will be here with me all the time. You will see all my progress. So as you've seen in these course videos, my knowledge is, I'm not starting from zero, but at the same point, at the same time, there are many architectural concepts which are not really solid in my mind. So I will need to study and practice a lot. So, okay. From one side, I should continue with these courses. From the other side, I should study the Professional Cloud Architect Certification exam guide. Let me see a brief. So I will dedicate this video especially to this one. Okay. I mean, this is strange. Mm. Um, I don't think I should log in here. I will just try to see what happens. I don't remember my password. So again, let's see if I can just hide here and find it somewhere. Okay. Oh, looks like I don't have password. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, word without passwords will be a better word. But we need security. Yeah, man. So the password was this one. Okay. So they say invalid login, of course, because I'm not supposed to have a to log in here in this moment. This is the platform which will somehow manage my exam. Okay, so other details which we already have seen in the workbook in the course we just finished is how the exam guide is designed. It's divided in 6 sections, and the first one is designing and planning a cloud solution architecture. It's 24% of the exam. It's an important part. Then managing and provisioning a solution infrastructure, 15% of the exam. In this case, we need to translate the business and technical requirements in a potential solution. Then here, managing and provisioning a solution infrastructure, it's more about like engineering, so configuring practically the tools to implement the solutions. Designing for security and compliance, 18%. We had a lot of security and compliance when aspects to keep in consideration when using cloud. As there are a lot of they're normally big infrastructures which manage sensible information in basically public, like we are moving sensible information on a public infrastructure, so we need to think double before doing stuff. Analyzing and optimizing technical and business process. So yeah, we have to keep in consideration that everything will need to evolve and be flexible and adaptable to new scenarios. Yeah, then we need to be able to to continue building, evolving this solution, and being able to monitor it and to be sure it's reliable, and that it respects the expectations, the customer expectations. It's a nice work, actually. I really like these challenges. They all really stimulate me. Okay, so let me download all this material here. So we have a healthcare study case, then we have a helicopter racing lake, Mount Kirk games. So this is video games. Then Taram Earth. So this is industry, mining and agricultural industry. Let's go. I have all of this material. Now I will go back to the end of this course and, well, instead of the course, oh sorry, I wasn't showing you anything since 5 minutes ago. Yeah, now I'm back. I will show you something. So I'm saving the exam guide study cases. Then this is some material I had from the preparing learning path. So yeah, in the cloud skill boost, preparing your professional. Okay, I will copy also the 02. So locally I'm saving some stuff. Okay. Okay. But I want to understand if these guide, if there's a guide actually, which is not only the study cases. Yeah, it's not. So what I want to do now is to apply all the suggestions we have in the last module here. So for example, okay. Great. Okay, let me see one thing. So in the material for the workbook, maybe I have that same diagram. No. This is 12, I will open 6. Let's see. Yeah, here maybe I have it. Would love to have that scheme there. So let me see. I should have access to Drive. Oh, look here. What is this? Catalog formation, Devo team. Oh, okay. So yeah, Devo team, which is a company, a Google Cloud partner. They offer formation. Yeah, but I'm not interested actually. Oh, in my Drive, there's nothing. This was just a shard file I opened recently. Okay, my Drive here, I will create, I want something, Google Drawings. Let's see. Maybe this one is the good one. But I'm not sure. Maybe we just use some normal slides. Let's see a quick introduction to Google Drawings. Is it something practical? Doesn't look like a practical tool. We'll avoid complicating my life. We'll just go with some slides. I like this one. I actually like this one. Insert all slides. So I have all these templates. They're really clean. I love this. Nice. Okay. So, okay, these templates will serve me in case I just need an idea on how to present all my material to myself in the future. So, okay, here there's nothing really useful, I think. So I will just take a screenshot of this. How do I take a screenshot here? This? Oh, no. Nope. Let's go. Because I love this image. Let's see if it makes sense for us to bring this to our slides. So understand the overarching goals, identify and itemize the objectives, categorize and prioritize the objectives, analyze, determine the preliminary options, refine the options, identify the final solution. I mean, it's kind of generic. Yeah, okay. Okay, nothing useful. Mhm. Okay. So I'm back. Let me check the audio. Sounds okay. Let's go then. We have to continue with the case studies analysis. First of all, let's see these overarching goals. Let's go again. So okay, so I need to analyze the overarching goals of each study case as first thing. I will start from the first study case. Let me see. So the study cases are the healthcare, helicopter racing league, Hunger Games, and Terramers. We start from the healthcare. This is the first one presented. We have only 3 pages. Therefore, let's see. Okay, so we have all the same sections: company overview, solution, existing technical environment, business and technical requirements, executive statement. Here we go. So company review. EHR Healthcare is the leading provider for electronic health record software to the medical industry. So let's see, I will prepare something nice. Instead of this, I will put EHR Healthcare. Oh no, sorry. So these, until these will be a section. How can I create a section here? Man. Come on, don't tell me we don't have sections. My God. Okay, we'll do like this. So here I have, this is the class overview template. That's it. Okay, there I have the this case study, so I will rename this one okay. Okay, so wow, this is really strange. So I like this one as title opener. It's a leading provider for electronic health record software. So they produce a software. I will just take this away. Let's see, I want so what I would like to do is to put like the three things, like this company review, maybe here. So these guys here produce software. For the medical industry. It's SaaS. Okay, so they are multinational activities. Okay, so I'm spending a lot of time doing this stuff, so it will be graphically written in my mind. I'm a graphical person. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so these will be my let's say about, okay. says that, come on. So yeah, that's the analysis, determination of the solutions we're finding. Okay. So first of all, we have this about section. Then we have the solution concept, the current state. Due to rapid changes in healthcare and insurance industry, EHR healthcare's business has been growing exponentially year over year. They need to be able to scale their environment, adapt their disaster recovery plan, and roll out new continuous deployment capabilities to update their software at a fast pace. Google Cloud has been chosen to replace their current colocation facilities. Hmm. Okay, so here we have some graphical assets. Well, I don't need a contact me section. Don't need these type of, I would need something like more like this. Okay, so these will be after the about, will be the solution concept. And so now I would like to obtain well, I will first reproduce all the material they have here. I will report it in some way here, and then I will do the case analysis. So first of all, rapid changes, growing exponentially. Okay, so it's being a turbulent environment. And I will put it here. So they say we're growing and having rapid changes. Then they say they need to be able to scale their environment. Okay. adapt the disaster recovery plan. Roll out new continuous deployment capabilities. Okay. Who has been chosen to? Okay. Let's go. So existing technical environment. Is currently hosted in multiple facilities. Okay, so in this case, we will analyze the existing technical environment. So there is currently hosted in multiple colocation facilities. Okay, let me see. multiple facilities, collocation facilities, collocation facilities, collocation facilities. Okay, so they are basically so they are renting a piece of a data center and managing their own operations. Okay. Okay, so okay, so please, why is that? It's about to expire, which means we are in a hurry. Customer-facing application. Customer-facing applications are web-based, and many have recently been containerized to run on a group of Kubernetes clusters. It's been containerized. Many, which means not all, have recently been containerized. Okay. Data is stored in a mixture of relational and NoSQL databases. You need to understand this mixture. Several legacy file and API-based integrations. Okay. Several file and API integrations. What's happening here? These systems are scheduled to be replaced over the next several years. There is no plan to upgrade or move this system at the current time. Users are managed via Microsoft Active Directory. Okay. Monitoring is currently being done via various open source tools. So let me move this. Oh, fuck. Now I can copy this, put it here. Monitoring is currently done via open source tools. Alerts are sent via email and often ignored. Okay. Interesting. Let me see, business requirements. Okay. So this was my analysis. The business requirements, the technical requirements, I will put them like this. Okay. Provide centralized visibility and proactive actions on performance and usage. Increase ability to provide insights ability. Reduce latency to all customers. Maintain regulatory compliance. Decrease infrastructure administration costs. Decrease. Make predictions and generate reports on industry trends based on provider data. Okay, so I like this and I put it here also. Let's go technical requirements. They're less than business. Business is kind of redundant always. Make predictions. Oh, what's happening? Maintain legacy interfaces to insurance providers with okay. Provide a consistent way to manage customer-facing applications that are container-based. Provide a secure, high-performance connection between on-premise systems and workload. Provide consistent logging, log retention, monitoring, and alerting capabilities. Maintain and manage multiple container-based environments. dynamically scale and provision environment. Create interfaces to ingest and process data for new providers. Okay, executive statement. So here we go. We have all this stuff here: solution, technical environment, requirements. Uh, On-premises strategy has worked for years, but has required a major investment of time and money in training our team on distinctly different systems, managing similar but separate environments, and responding to outages. Okay. Mm. Okay, now I can go to the overarching goals. So I'm fixated with these overarching goals. Online retail or mobile application or struggling. So yeah, overarching goals. To scale their environment. So they say they need to scale their environment. Then they need compliance. Okay, yeah. So let's have a look to the other elements. Software is currently hosted in multiple colocation facilities, and we want to migrate them to the cloud as the lease of one of the data centers is about to expire. Customer-facing applications are web-based. Many, not all, have recently been containerized to run on a group of Kubernetes clusters, so this is coherent with the migration, also the other goals. A mixture of relational and NoSQL databases, I mean, this is okay. Hosting for and API integration with insurance provider and premises. And there is no plan to upgrade or move these systems at the current time, so we will need to create a plan for this upgrade. Users are managed via Microsoft Active Directory. We will need to basically pass to, no, Microsoft Active Directory is compatible with GCP. So we're not necessarily going to need to move them to another system. Monitoring is currently being done via various open source tools. And yeah, this we need to improve this, and the open source tools can be still used. We will have to see. Onboard new insurance providers as quickly as possible. So scale fast, deploy fast. provide a minimum 99% availability for customer-facing issues. Customer-facing system, sorry. So we have another theme here, which is not in the fast scale deployment compliance migration. It's more about probability. I mean, compliance. Yeah, like, okay, we don't need everything to be an overarching goal. But still, we need to keep in mind that we need to improve the user experience, basically. Yeah, like the onboard insurance providers as quickly as possible. Well, availability maybe it's more about, yeah, the availability is more about, I would say, compliance and disaster recovery plan. Onboard new insurance providers as quickly as possible. This is not an overarching goal coherent with the other naming, like compliance and migration are actually something significant. Fast is just an adjective. Development and deployment, CI/CD. I think yeah. Increase ability to provide insights into healthcare trends. Latency to all customers. Yeah, like accessibility. decrease infrastructure administration costs. Infrastructure and administration costs, CI/CD. Make predictions and generate approximation trends based on provider data. This is part of the business activities. Maintain legacy interfaces. Connectivity to both on-premises system and cloud providers. Okay, so these guys here in the executive statement are saying that they basically wasted money on training, managing, and responding to like a complex system. They just want something scalable, resilient, consistent, and stable. Okay. So this is our overarching goals. The next step I see coming is identifying and itemizing objects, which we kind of already did here. Maybe we still need to itemize it, and then categorize and prioritize objectives, organize into my promise option. So we'll need to still itemize and categorize, prioritize, all this stuff. Okay, so it's already 1 hour and 44. I will just take a pause and I will continue in the next video. So see you in the next video. We will continue with this study case analysis. I think that next video I will finish it and then we will continue with the other study cases.